because I'm live too. I love checking to make sure that I'm posted in the correct spaces and places, and I can see it. If I don't catch your comments, it's because my phone doesn't always work. And I already see an eyeball. So if you're here watching live or on the replay, please say hi. This is Cooking with Friends. Why is it Cooking with Friends? Well, you're a friend and I'm cooking. Pretty simple, right? Self-explanatory. This is one of my 2 types of parties that I personally do, and this is available for all Infinite Shine family members for them to be able to have their guests and hosts to come here too. I do these on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. The next couple weeks it is going to only be on Thursdays because next Tuesday my son's playing at Orchestra Hall and I'm going to be there. So that's cool too. Tonight we are making 1-pot chicken and rice dinner. Now all these recipes come from my personal health coach, Michaela Cole. She creates meal plans for me to help me lose weight and have my levels go down so my doctor is happy and I live longer. If you want her to help you with your customized meal planning, in the recipe card that we posted in the comments is her information. I highly recommend her. She has helped me lose so much, and I love that she customizes things to things that my family will eat, I will eat, and work within my dietary needs. 1-pot meals mean that you make everything in 1 pot. And so tonight, we are going to be using the pressure cooker. Now the pressure cooker that you're going to get is going to look like this one. This is a pressure cooker for your microwave. They blew up a lot of microwaves, so you don't have to. It happens to be on sale right now for the month of November. 15% off. I love it because it's like a crock pot for your microwave. I have the prototype version right here that I'm going to be cooking out of because why use your demo stuff when you have a perfectly good one? So what we're going to do first is you always layer the things that are going to cook the longest at the bottom. And in this case, it's going to be the garlic and the carrots and the rice. Now, if you were making this on the stovetop, what Michaela would have had me do is put the butter down first and then add the carrots. So it's going to be 2 whole carrots. And I'm going to use the Supersonic Extra to mince these up. Now there is, for this week only, through November 2nd, if you're watching this in real time, there is a sale, a $22 sale on our executive management membership set because it's 2022 and we have a goal of having 22 new family members. We already have 1 today so far. So there's 3 options now to join our amazing Tupperware. The first one is the executive membership that's on sale for $117. It's $22 less. It has everything. I did a video earlier today that shows you everything that's involved there. The second one's a $99 option. It's a $188 value. You get the impressions bowls, which are perfect for serving. They go nest all the way down into the blue one. You get a vent and serve set bowl, or medium shallow, which is what we use the most in our house. And this one is probably what we would end up using for the leftovers of this, which would be perfect for our lunches. And then the Supersonic Extra, which we're going to use to mince up not only our carrots, but the garlic that we're going to use. So you're not going to use the whipping attachment. You're not going to use the funnel for this. You are going to use the very, 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 very sharp blade. If the blade drops, let it drop. I hear my husband is pulling in, so you guys might get to see him. You need the equivalent of 2 carrots. So I'm just going to put a couple handful in here. So there's my carrots. You need to have 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of garlic. I prefer to use fresh, so I'm putting the garlic in here. Then I take the cover, and it's not on yet. You know it's on because it clicks all the way. The collar will click all the way down. And we're going to bring it up here so you can see it. I meant to do that. Doesn't last all the way on. There we go. That's what happens when you have gloves on. Let's see if this works. gotta put it on there. And here comes my husband and son. Hi guys, I am live making dinner. I think I put too many carrots in. Do one of you want to be the muscles?
Sure, once I put down my tripod.
Okay. It's not going on the spindle. And of course, this is all happening live. I can't seem to get it on the spindle quite yet. Be careful of the knife.
Yep.
Okay. Make sure it goes up and down. This is my son Connor.
Hi everyone.
I meant to have all of this done before you guys got home, but you got home earlier.
Well, we had to drag his back.
Okay.
Okay, here. So.
We need a little bit more. Thank you for getting it started, son.
It just took a second to really click because of how it's set up.
Yeah, there's a lot of carrots in there too.
Well,
All right, so we have our minced carrots. I'm glad I have muscles for my son. We're going to put the carrots in the bottom of the pressure cooker. And then I'm going to use my spatula to put it all out. Now I do keep my carrots in a fridge smart because they stay fresher longer. And these were designed with the University of Florida so that they figured out why produce went wrong, or not wrong, goes bad. On the bottom is the place where the water goes. At the top has the airflow indicator. These carrots have probably been in there for about 3 weeks. So there's that. Then we're going to add rice. Now this rice, if you follow the stovetop instructions, is sauteed a little bit before you add the broth. So I thought, why not put the rice in our MicroPro grill? Now the MicroPro grill is also on sale, 15% off. So if you've been waiting to get a MicroPro grill, this is the perfect time. The other way you can get both of these products is for free or half off when you host your own party. If hosting isn't your thing, you can always buy it. Our consultants get an additional 25% off of the sale price as well. Next, what we get to add is the chicken. Now, I have already cubed this chicken, and I'm just going to put the chicken on top of the rice and the carrots, and all of this is going into my sink. And I'm wearing gloves because I don't like how chicken feels on my hands. And last but not least, we are going to add the seasonings. All right, so I have 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of minced onion. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. If we're using a stovetop, this would have been already melted, but I thought, why not put it on there? And then you need to use enough broth to cover the chicken so that it doesn't get burnt, I guess, is a good way to say it. Now this warming was a host bonus in the month of October. They have extended it for a limited time in the month of November. It will keep your beverages hot or cold. And what I did is I needed 6 to 8 cups of broth. So I put some of the broth in there. This is 4 cups of broth here. And I just want to make sure the chicken is completely covered. So then I can put the rest of this broth into a water bottle so that we can use it another time. Would one of my handsome family members be willing to throw this in the microwave?
Yeah.
So the one thing to be aware of is this will be cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. Usually chicken we cook for 17 minutes in our microwave when we do the pressure cooker. Does that sound about right? It varies per microwave, that's why we give ranges. So go ahead and put it in for 17. The bulb is going to go up, which is a pressure indicator, and it tells you how, it tells you that your pressure is high. So don't open it, because you'll hurt yourself. So while that's cooking, I want to show you some of the specials from November as well. I already talked about the ability to join our company with 3 different options. There's executive membership that's on sale through November 2nd. There's this option, which is $99, which I use the Power Chef with, or the Supersonic Extra with. But if that isn't your bag, if you have no desire to join us, maybe you want to host a party. A party can be cooking with friends, just like what you see here. It can be an in-home demonstration, or it could be just a normal Facebook party, whatever works for you. Heck, I've heard people do texting parties too. One of the host bonuses that we have available is this serving set. It's a 17-piece set. The seals count as part of the set. You get 2 bowls. You get 2 serving dishes. You get 4 bowls to serve with. And then you get 4 small plates and 4 large plates. And a condiment server as well. This is a host bonus. Qualifying hosts get to have it for free when they host a party that qualifies, of course. Saw somebody pop on. Say hi if you're watching, so I can say hi to you back. There are several different host options. I talked about when I was pouring the broth that the warmie is one of the options as well that is with a copay. I love this thing. I use it for tea at my desk all the time, or for cold water, because you can prime it to be hot or cold. Connect with your Infinite Shine family member to find out what host benefits are there. These are all good through November 30th while supplies last. Last but not least, if you're not wanting to really want to host with us, maybe you want to shop with us. Holidays are coming, and Tupperware does have pre-Black Friday sales on our personal websites. I wore a plaid shirt today, so I could match our new Buffalo Plaid canisters. I just got these in the mail today. This is the gray 3-piece stacking canister. And you can put your goodies in here. Hi, Cammie. You can put treats in here, put a bow on top, and then that becomes your Christmas gift. So that's what it looks for the gray. There's the cookie canister. This is what it looks like for the red. Isn't that pretty? And then there's these Eco-to-Go tumblers. Now, I love this color because they haven't done a black before. They do a lot of pastels. So this would be perfect for anyone, I believe. Comes in red and gray, and you get a set of 2. This would be a really nice teacher gift. Heck, any of these would be a really nice teacher gift if you buy teacher gifts for your friends and family. You can bring these into Caribou or Starbucks and get them a little bit off for the price of coffee because you brought in your own. They are not insulated, but they do act like the Caribou coffee cup. And this sleeve comes on and off so you don't burn your fingers, too. It does have a little bit of a nub, so you can go ahead and close it up and keep it hotter a little bit longer. So, though that is cooking with friends with one hot chicken, what are you having for dinner? Because we would love for you to join us next week, Thursday. Don't know yet what I'm making, but either way, I hope you're having a lovely evening. And now I'm gonna go eat so I can go back and not back. I'm going to go celebrate Infinite Shine because we have our celebration tonight. And I'm super excited to do so because we had an amazing October and it's all due to you. Thank you so very much for all that you do to support our Infinite Shine family members. And catch me next time, next Thursday, 5:45 p.m., right here on this page. Bye.